Pohe or flattened rice of various kinds are found. Some are long, nylon thin, others thick and nearly round. Pohe can be for chivda fried or washed and soaked in sweetened milk. Eat them like corn or wheat flakes or others of that ilk. For Dadpe Pohe you will need 4 fistfuls for 2 of any thickish pohe, unpolished will also do. Rinse them well and keep them aside. 1 onion chop, 2 chilies slice, some ginger grate, cut dhania leaves, grate some coconut fresh and nice. Mix everything with the damp pohe, add sugar, salt and lime, throw in tomato bits and leave it all covered for some time. Heat a little oil in a vessel shallow, let mustard seeds splutter in it, add a pinch of hing, toss in curry leaves, whole or crushed a bit. Switch off the heat and turn the pohe in the vessel upside down. The pohe into the vessel go. Don't give me that confused frown. Keep covered for a minute, then garnish with more coriander and a tablespoon or so, of course, roasted groundnut powder. No cooking involved in Dadpe Pohe. In a dish, it is a meal, takes little time and effort, gives one a wholesome feel.
बोलो बोलो दड़पे पोहे की जय, चावल पुत दड़पे पोहे की जय.